Yeah. Word. Real talk,
Stay
boy.
scheming while my lobes is beaming. Wake up, still I'm dreaming, waiting for something to give. Work harder, celebrate, at live. Not in my prime, no stopping my mind. From the bottom I climb, confidently breaking necks, no dirty wine. You're a dry cough, barely sick. I'm full blown ages, call me Rip. Rest in peace to the competition, y'all been deceased. Can't hear y'all like talking while getting to peace. Easily distracted with mad talent, no need to practice. Next nigga got a shot at the belt. I'm not with that, so I stay at this. I'm tired of drop out of high school. Haters don't wanna see me major. Well, here's a skill for you, player. Your existence to me dominated. Damn, I mean nada. Regardless, I'm smooth pina colada. Me and my niggas roll together, enchilada. Do wrong and get hit like Jeremiah. Try to slow it down when I feel like got to never slow it down. That's just a reminder. Even if I'm sick, I'ma make my appearance. Don't fuck with me, well, you still gotta deal with my perseverance. Listen, you can't clear it, you can't smear it. I'ma come through and you gonna feel it. If you don't feel it, then you gonna fear it. Fuck these bitches, I swear they want my spirit. Say it's all about connection, sounds like you're all about prevention. I got too much class like after school detention. To me, y'all all clowns like Joker's favorite henchmen. Names I never bothered to mention. Therefore, that metaphor was damn near perfection. I had to say that though. A lot of people barely know what they sleeping on. It's like saying no to gold. Put the pressure on me. Put all the pressure on me. Full court press, I'm still going for that 3. And I'm down by 2. But I've been told to just do what I do. I swear I've analyzed that saying through and through. To me, this is what it means. Mama gave birth to a spitting machine. I'm spitting bullets in the form of a dream, aiming at every nigga on your team. I might look light, but I'm heavy though. Wondering if Bravo put some shit like that, you really never know. To be a part of the movement, I really need to do it. Taking over coast to coast, don't ever lose it. People get mad at me, so sad to see. Tell me why I'm going hard enough for a 3. I just say that means you niggas is lame. I'm staying in my own lane, spitting and flowing water down the drain. Full length beats, I'm a murderer like Casey Anthony. Have you ever heard of her? Might be a little late, but the timing feels great. Like fresh spring water to the face in a deserted, dried out place. You stuck, I'm waiting, I'm over here penetrating, demonstrating that some swag and the flow can be devastating. When it's all going right, that feels so emancipating. Caught you hating, way too blatant. Knees never shaking, stride for stride. I'm in training for the day I make it. You definitely need to AP, running back to catch everything I'm saying. Timothy Tebow, I'm on one knee praying. God forgives me for my sins and trying to sell my soul to him. My evil greed will never let me free. Therefore I need the one man who can save me, Mr. G.O.D. Only a pussy nigga would run away from it all. I embrace it like I'm breaking up for always standing tall. Ha.